Hi everyone! Today's video will review the calculation of IV infusion rates, specifically the drop rate. The formula to determine the drop rate is what the doctor ordered over 60 minutes multiplied by your drip factor. The drip factor is displayed on your IV tubing package. This one is 60 drops per mil. And this one is 10 drops per mil. Another common one is 15 drops per mil. Okay, so here's our first problem. A patient has been ordered 125 mils per hour of normal saline. Our drip factor is 10 drops per mil. What is our drop rate? Well, what has the doctor ordered? 125 over 60 minutes. And our drip factor is 10 to 1. If we want to do this the long way, we can multiply it out. 125 times 10 is 1,250 over 60 times 1, which is 60. If we divide 1,250 by 60, we come up with 20.8 or 21 drops per minute. Let's do another one. A patient has been ordered 175 mils an hour of Ringer's lactate, and this time our drip factor is 15 drops per mil. 175 over 60 minutes is what the doctor's ordered. Multiply that by our drop factor, which is 15 over 1. Now we're going to shorten it. 15 will go into itself once. 15 will go into 60 4 times. 175 divided by 4 is 44. So our drop rate is 44 drops per minute. Let's do another one. Our patient has been ordered 1 liter of normal saline over 8 hours. So 1 liter is 1,000 mils. And we're going to deliver that over 8 hours. But don't forget, our formula for finding the drop factor is over 60 minutes. So we have to divide 8 into 1,000 to get our hourly rate. 8 into 1,000 is 125. So our hourly rate is 125 every 60 minutes. Our drop factor is 10 to 1. 10 goes into itself once, 10 goes into 60 6 times. 6 goes into 12 twice, 6 goes into 5 almost once. Our drop rate is 21 drops per minute. This time our patient has been ordered 125 mils every hour of D5W, and we're using a drop factor of 60 drops per mil. 125 over 60 minutes. Multiply that by our drop factor, which is 60 over 1. 60 goes into itself once, 60 goes into 60 once. 125, 125 drops per minute. We'll do one more. Our patient has been ordered 2 liters of saline over 15 hours. 2 liters is 2,000 mils over 15 hours. We divide 15 into 2,000 to find out what our hourly rate is, and we get 133 over 60. Multiply that by our drop factor, which is 10 to 1. 6 goes into 13 twice. 6 goes into 13 twice. So that means we have 22 drops per minute. hope you find this helpful.